She woke up in the night because her hair was severely itching and she had to take down her hairstyle because she couldn't bear it anymore. You might have heard someone say that their grey hair is causing scalp itching. Why is this happening? Does grey hair actually itch? In this video, you're going to find out. Hi, my name is Hene. If you are new here, I discuss hair care issues and the solutions to them. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing about grey hair, what people think about it, and what exactly the issues are. So let's go straight into it. Grey hair itself actually does not cause itching, but the changes happening as the hair is turning grey is what is causing the itching. Now let's discuss a few of them. Number one, less oil production. You know, our scalp produces a special oil called sebum. As your hair is turning grey, that is, your hair is losing its pigment, the scalp is also producing less sebum. That will lead to the scalp feeling dry, tight, and itchy, especially after washing your hair. Another problem is because your scalp is aging, the skin barrier is becoming weaker and it becomes more sensitive to things it wasn't sensitive to before. For example, the shampoos you are using, the weather conditions, the styling products you are using. You may have been using these for a very long time, but because of aging and the scalp becoming weaker, these things can begin to affect you where they were not affecting you before. Another problem is increased sensitivity. That is, the grey hair follicles may become more reactive and you will feel tingling and itching without visible flakes. You will also have discomfort with products that did not used to bother you before. One more issue is product buildup. Grey hair is much more coarse. A lot of people have noticed this, and it can hold on to products much more easily. And these products can cause buildup, which can clog the follicles and cause itching. Another problem is the underlying scalp conditions. Sometimes the grey hair is not even the problem. Someone may have dandruff, scalp psoriasis, eczema. Because the scalp is changing with age, these issues may become much more noticeable. What can help with these issues? You need milder products that are not so harsh as the ones you were using before. For example, when it comes to shampoos, you need to use shampoos that do not contain sulfates. SLES is a sulfate ingredient that is used in shampoos, and it can be very harsh to the scalp. Now, these sulfates are not bad, but when it comes to scalp that is aging and much more sensitive, one needs to be extra careful. So look out for shampoos that are made with milder surfactants or milder ingredients, unlike sulfate-based shampoos. You also need things that will suit your scalp, such as glycerin, aloe vera, natural ingredients that will make your scalp feel better and less dry. Also, when you are choosing oils for your hair, you need to choose light oils such as jojoba, grapeseed, sweet almond. These oils mimic the natural sebum of the scalp. They are not too heavy and they can feel very soothing on your scalp. Also, if you are suffering from dandruff, it may be much or little, you should go for anti-dandruff shampoos, not the ones that are harsh also, but the ones that contain antifungal ingredients that can kill off the dandruff-causing fungi. So now take note of this. If your itching is persistent or is coming with flakes, your scalp is red or with patches, it is not because of the grey hair. It is because of a scalp condition that needs to be checked and be fixed. So once you fix all these things, I'm sure you will enjoy your grey hair, which is a crown of beauty. Also, a lot of people are very uncomfortable with their grey hair and go into dyeing it. Now, most of these dyes are made with chemicals that are also very harsh on the hair. So you see that after someone has dyed their hair becomes very hard, breaks off easily, and the scalp itches a lot. It is not easy to accept the signs of aging, but one needs to consider if it is more important to hide the aging or to rock it with confidence. I know I'm not old yet. So one can consider using alternatives to chemical dyes. Natural dyes can be used, such as henna, which gives the hair a reddish brown tint that is always so beautiful, or adding indigo on top of that, which will now give dark hue, instead of using chemical dyes, which cause much more problems. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. And if you got to this point of the video, please drop a like, so share with others so that they can learn from what we have discussed. Thank you. See you in my next video.